In this video, we're going to be talking about INOVIO Stock. We're going to be talking about the good, and we're going to be talking about the bad. Stuff that you probably don't know unless you've been investing for a while or been around for a while and keeping up with specifically INOVIO for a while. So I'm going to need you to take a seat because this will probably tick you off and maybe even scare you. And we're going to be starting right now. What is going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to know how to grow your wealth through trading and investing in the stock market, make sure you start now by subscribing and then tap that bell so you never miss a thing. Oh, the world owes me a living. All right, my good people, it's time for me to tell y'all the truth about INOVIO. Whatever, man. They go by the name of INOVIO, and their ticker symbol is INO. And here's the deal, okay? Now, before y'all start hating, well, before the shareholders that are listening to this start hating, listen. I'm holding some too, okay? I'm holding it. All right, for now. That doesn't mean I'm not going to take profits when profits need to be taken. So, just so we're clear, I'm not shorting this company or nothing like that. Right now, I'm holding and selling covered calls, pretty much doing the smart thing, okay? But anyhow, what I wanted to do was kind of make this video and let everyone that's unaware of a few things, I want to make you aware, okay? I'm going to aware you, if that makes sense. If not, I really don't give a care, but I want to let you guys know, caution you a bit, okay? So that you guys are on the ball and don't lose any money when it's time to lose money, when it's time to let go of these shares. So I'm not saying anything bad about the company. It could be, they could come up with the next COVID-19 vaccine that, goes to the moon and comes back. But looking at their track record, it's hard for me to say, okay? And I know I'm going to get some thumbs down for this, but, I'm trying to help y'all out, so just chill the hell out. All right, here's what's been going on with INOVIO, and I'm about to break it down, step by step. So basically, INOVIO is a 40-year-old company, okay? They've got no FDA-approved drugs, no FDA-approved products whatsoever, all right? They have they've claimed that they've been making a vaccine or producing vaccines for every major outbreak over the last 10 years, but none of these vaccines that they've claimed to have produced or developed or whatever has made it past a phase 3, all right? And no FDA news. So I'm gonna tell you guys about those right now. So once upon a time in 2009, we had the swine flu, okay? There was a breakout of the swine flu. And what had happened then is that INOVIO, okay, came up with this vaccine called SynCon, okay? S-Y-N, con. Look it up. All right. They presented evidence that 100% of every single Piggly Wiggly that was vaccinated with SynCon did not catch the swine origin H1N1 virus, okay? And then this vaccine went to phase 1, was tested on humans, or the announcement was made, I'm sorry. The stock tripled on the news, okay, in just 1 month, which was outstanding, man. And where are we at right now? We're at, we've at least tripled since January when they announced they were going to work on the COVID vaccine. All right. So back to my story that took place in 2009. 3 years after the outbreak ended, okay, INOVIO released results, and ultimately the vaccine was never, ever, ever heard from again, and the stock dropped by half its value. Dear God, what in the heck? Then we had the incident in 2013. All right, back to 2013. We had the avian breakout, all right, or whatever, the avian flu breakout. In China, again, another China virus, that's right, you guys. And that one was the H7N9. And INOVIO jumped right on it and issued a press release saying that 100% of vaccinated mice were protected from the illness, okay, when given INOVIO's immunotherapy vaccine. And then in 2015, 2 years later, INOVIO disclosed that it was still seeking funding for its H7N9 program in their SEC filings. So, to me, that's kind of strange. All right. In 2014, we had Ebola, the Ebola outbreak. And, of course, INOVIO had an announcement that they were moving their Ebola vaccine into clinical trials. And they announced a 100% response rate in guinea pigs and mouses. Or was I supposed to say mices or mice? I don't know. Anyhow, they did that. This vaccine was also never brought up again. Well, that's a lie. It was brought up in 2018, okay, during the Kivu Ebola virus outbreak, all right, where another 100% response rate was achieved and announced in the early studies, all right? But then guess what? The pattern continues. We never saw anything else again out of that vaccine. So then, 2015 and 2016, we had Zika and MERS. We had those viruses break out. And INOVIO announced again that its vaccine achieved a 100% antibody response in study participants. And everyone was so excited. Yay! But after the outbreak, we didn't get any news of advancement to a phase 3 or any kind of FDA approval. So, with that being said, my friends and my family and my relatives, if that's not the same thing, with that being said, INOVIO claimed it has developed a vaccine for every single outbreak over the last 10 years, but has never made it to phase 3 or FDA approval. Are you listening to what I'm saying to you, man? Listen up. I'm trying to save you some money. So, what I'm trying to explain to you guys is that this may very well be the case here, okay? I'm not trying to hate on INOVIO. Like I said, I'm holding shares, I'm selling covered calls and all that. But, I'm watching my back. I'm watching my back with it, okay? And my front. But, INOVIO, like I said, we got a little while to still make a little bit of money off of it if the pattern continues. And then it may be time to let it go, according to its history. And from what I hear, history always repeats itself, all right? But now, what I need you guys to do, okay, since I'm not a doctor or a gynecologist or anything like that, and I may not know what I'm talking about, I need someone that's smarter than me, okay? Someone that actually, is in the field, that knows what the hell they're talking about and doing, to leave me a comment below and let me know if I'm right or wrong and explain this whole concepts to me of what the heck is going on here, because I don't, I need some help, y'all. So leave me some comments. Let me know what the hell you think. Okay, am I right? Are you gonna hold it? Let me know if you're holding it now. Let me know if you're gonna hold it. Let me know if someone needs to hold your hand while you're holding it. All right, let me know. because I don't want to be by myself in this, which is why I got you guys in here, why I got y'all involved. So now y'all got to help me, man. Now y'all got to help me out and get me out of this trade if it's a bad one, okay? Tell me when I need to go. All right, I'm done ranting you guys because I know your time is valuable. So let me just leave y'all with this here, okay? If you found this valuable, if you appreciate it, go ahead and caress that like button for me, all right? That means thumbs up. And share this video with your friends, man, because they need to know. And I will see you guys in the next video, which is coming very soon. But until then, guys, until then, I miss you. And I like puppies and baseball cards. Bye.